can confirm Meghna is Justice Yashwant Verma has sent his resignation to President of India, and the President of India obviously will accept his resignation. He is presently a justice in Allahabad High Court, though he has not been given any work. Now, it's been nearly 2 years since this entire controversy broke out, when a vat of cash, in fact, a huge amount of cash was found in his residence. He was not present in his residence, so his family members were present in his residence. And it happened on the holy night, that's exactly 2 years back, 1 month back, this huge amount of cash was found. And subsequent to that, what happened next was that Delhi police personnel along with the fire department officials went to his residence, and they in fact extinguished the fire. But a report was then submitted to the Commissioner of the Delhi Police, who informed the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court.
I have received notice of motion under Article 217 1B, read with Article 218 and Article 124, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution of India, along with Section 31B of the Judges Enquiry Act 1968, to constitute a statutory committee for removal of Justice Yashwant Verma, Judge of the High Court of Judicature at Rajasthan, at Allahabad.
खुशी महसूस हुई कि आज एक आम जनता जो सड़क पे एक लाई चना खाते हुए यहां मुकदमा लड़ती है, उसके भरोसे की जीत है, ये उसके भरोसे की जीत है। लेकिन बहुत डिलेड है, बहुत देर में हुआ ये, और ये देर में हुआ इसके पीछे हमारा जो सिस्टम है, जुडिशियल सिस्टम का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, वो बड़ा वो जिम्मेदार है इसके लिए। बहुत सारी कमियां हैं, संविधान इतना टाइट है कि इम्पीचमेंट हो नहीं पाता, प्रोटेक्शन इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि जबकि सच्चाई यह है कि प्रोटेक्शन इस तरह की चीज़ों में नहीं होना चाहिए। प्रोटेक्शन तो इसलिए होना चाहिए कि न्याय जो है वो निर्भय होकर वो दे सके।